coming in, and this is from Nagpur. We are telling you a little more about Fahim Khan, seen as the key conspirators. Bulldozer action against his residence that has taken place in Nagpur as promised by Devendra Fadnavis, the Chief Minister. It's in fact pictures we are showing you at this point in time from the house getting completely demolished there, as you can see on your screens at this point in time. Remember, this is something that the Supreme Court of India had objected to, talking about the fact that demolition of this kind is not authorized, is what he had said. Now, there is action against Fahim Khan, seen as the key conspirator of the riots in Nagpur that took place on the 17th of March. The Supreme Court has said that demolishing homes or properties as punishment for an alleged crime without following legal procedures is a violation of fundamental rights and the rule of law. The court had emphasized that any demolition must adhere to legal procedures, including a proper notice, a hearing for the property owner, a clear justification for the demolition. The court had highlighted that demolishing properties affects not just the accused but their family members as well. This is unjust. This is collective punishment. But what you see on your screens right now is the residence of Fahim Khan, seen as a key conspirator, allegedly is being demolished right now. Remember, the case is still pending. These are allegations that have been leveled. A probe awaits, and of course, he is not a convicted criminal. But there is bulldozer action against him at this point in time. Getting in these pictures from Nagpur, where the house of Fahim Khan, the key conspirator, as alleged by the Nagpur police, his house is getting demolished. He's seen as a plotter of the riots. Allegedly, a plotter is what is now being said. His role is being investigated. This bulldozer action was promised by the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis, and that's exactly what you're seeing on your screens at this point in time. Replying to a query whether bulldozer action would be initiated against the rioters in Nagpur on the lines of Uttar Pradesh, Devendra Fadnavis had said the Maharashtra government has its own style of working. Bulldozers will roll when necessary, and bulldozers have now rolled. He's also emphasized, the Chief Minister, that action would be taken strictest one against those who attacked police officers during the unrest. What you see is bulldozer action against Fahim Khan.
महाराष्ट्र में हम लोग अपने तरीके से कार्रवाई करते हैं. जहां बुलडोजर चलाने की आवश्यकता होगी वहां चलेगा. जहां गलत काम होगा उसको रौंदा जाएगा. किसी को बख्शा नहीं जाएगा.
Parts of Fahim Khan's house have now been declared illegal, and what you see on your screens at this point in time is bulldozer action against Fahim Khan's residence. Remember, the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis, had hinted at the sort of an action which is now being seen. He had said that rioters will be made to pay. Those rioters who attacked the police officers would be made to pay. He had said that government would take strict action against the perpetrators of violence in Nagpur, including recovering the cost of damages from the rioters, and emphasized that there could be bulldozer action as well. On your screen, pictures, in fact, from the rioting that had taken place, and also pictures are of bulldozer action against Fahim Khan's home at this point in time, where the part of the home has been completely, or rather partially, razed down by the bulldozers. Bulldozer action against the key conspirator, as alleged by the cops in Nagpur. Fahim Khan's house getting completely demolished. This is bulldozer action at this point in time, which is being seen. Remember, the Supreme Court of India had said that Demolishing homes or properties is punishment for an alleged crime without following legal procedures, without giving adequate time, notice, isn't something that can be done. It had ruled against Bulldozer justice, stating that demolishing properties solely based on an individual's criminal accusation or conviction without due process is unconstitutional, unacceptable under the rule of law. The court had said that these houses can't be, or properties can't be demolished without giving adequate notice, a hearing for the property owner, a clear justification for the demolition. We are yet to hear from the Maharashtra government on many of these due processes, whether they have been followed or not. The court had highlighted that demolishing properties affects not just the accused but their family members. This is collective punishment, and that is something that can't be allowed. Remember, a video had done the rounds, and that's why the police believe that Fahim Khan is a key conspirator. Let's take a listen.
ठीक है, प्रदर्शन करना किसी के खिलाफ आपका संवैधानिक अधिकार है, लेकिन मुसलमानों की कलमे की चादर को जलाना ये कहाँ की बात हुई? वहाँ पर जो है कलमे की चादर को जलाई गई, जिसमें हमारे कुछ बंदों ने जाके विरोध किया और उसके बाद में प्रकरण सामने आया और पुलिस वालों ने लाठीचार्ज सिर्फ एक पक्ष के ऊपर किया, जबकि वो शांतिपूर्वक ढंग से वहाँ बैठकर सिर्फ ये डिमांड रख रहे थे कि जिन्होंने कलमे की चादर जलाई उनको अरेस्ट करो और उनको लेकर आओ।